What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get and the steps needed to install the Flatsome theme on WordPress and to import demo. Now to get the Flatsome theme, here you can download it from an external website, that's Theme Forest. So go to Theme Forest, hit enter, and here it is, the WordPress themes website's template. Search for Flatsome, hit enter, and here it is. However, you should note that it's not free, it's for $59. And once you purchase it and download it here, download it as a zip file, go back to your dashboard on WordPress, then go to Appearance, and then Themes. And here, add new theme. Okay, click on Upload. And here you want to click to choose the zip file you downloaded from the Theme Forest, the Flatsome zip, or drag and drop it right here. And then follow the setup wizard in order to install the theme. And once you do, you can go ahead and import your demo from it.